I'm going to quickly show you how you can check your messages settings to only show read receipts for selected contacts. And to do this, first we're going to go into the actual settings app itself. We're going to scroll down to the bottom and get to the apps section, and then we're going to go to messages. We're going to go inside messages. We're going to scroll down to the section where it says send read receipts, and we want to make sure this is off. Otherwise, if this is on, it will show if you've read the message to everyone. Next, we're going to go into the actual Messages app itself. We're going to go into a conversation with the contact that we want to show read receipts to. In this case, I'll go into this conversation with Bobby. We're going to go actually click on his name at the top, and that'll bring up this screen, and this is where you can turn this on or off. So in this case, I'm going to turn it on. Now he will get read receipts while everyone else does not get them, except for the individual contacts that you have selected, because the global setting that I showed you earlier was off, but individually this will be on, and it's that simple. You can do this in reverse as well. You could go to the global setting and turn it on for everybody and just turn it off for selected individuals as well. So that could be handy to know as well.